Stop guessing if your blog banners are actually working, because today we're diving into how to track those clicks and skyrocket your online ad performance with Google Tag Manager. First things first, let's get into Google Tag Manager. You'll need to be logged into your GTM account. We're starting fresh. So let's create a new tag. Click on the new tag blue button now. Let's name this tag something descriptive like blog banner click event. Next comes the tag configuration part. Click on the tag configuration. It will reveal a list of tag types. You'll want to select custom HTML. Inside the custom HTML section, this is where you'll be inserting a bit of code. This code will listen for and track clicks on your blog banners. Don't worry about writing the code. It will be provided in the description. Copy and paste that code into the HTML editor. This code listens for click events on links, specifically those leading to your linked banners, and sends the captured data to Google Analytics. Now that we've set up the HTML portion, it's time to set up the trigger. Click on the triggering section and click on in the trigger configuration page. You'll need to define when this tag should fire. Select all elements. Then in the window of trigger type, select all elements from the list. Now, we want to refine the trigger on that all elements selection by selecting some clicks. Then, in the choose variable section, select the built-in variable click classes in the section below the click classes section. Select contains, then enter a class name that you placed in your banner links HTML. For example, if your banner links class is blog banner, enter blog banner in the field. Make sure to click save, and with the trigger and tag created, let's publish the tag. Click the submit button in the top right corner, then add a descriptive name for your version, and click publish. That's it. Now, whenever someone clicks on your blog banner, Google Tag Manager will send that event data to Google Analytics. You can then view the data by going into your Google Analytics and navigate to behavior greater than events greater than overview to see your banner click-through rates. Congratulations! You've unlocked the power of banner click-through tracking.